A dad recorded one of the rarest animals in America after setting up a camera in his backyard. Sport hunting has always been a part of American culture, especially in Hendersonville, North Carolina. There are many outdoor enthusiasts the world over who are interested in spotting rare types of wild animals. One North Carolina man saw something truly amazing, however. A North Carolina man set up a trail camera in his backyard in the hopes of seeing a few wild animals walking into the camera. He thought that it might be fun and interesting to see some deer, for example, but what he captured was something far more sensational. What the man captured was a find that was so rare. Not only did outdoor enthusiasts take note, but even the scientific community was interested in what he saw. What the man captured was a very rare crossbreed. The man had captured an extremely rare animal crossbreed on his trail camera. He wasn't a hunter, but he liked posting wildlife videos on his YouTube channel. It had started out as a fun hobby, but he never expected it to lead to something like this. Due to all the local wildlife, the man and his family loved to watch the trail camera videos to see what they could spot. Usually it would be some of the native deer in the area, but on this February morning, they were about to see something amazing. That fateful morning started out by the same way as any other. The family went to check on their trail camera. They copied the data from the cameras onto their computer and started to go through the footage. They stopped when they saw an unusual figure walking onto the screen. There on the screen they saw a sleek, clearly canine figure with a sleek, glossy black coat of fur. The animal was beautiful and something they hadn't seen before. They posted the video online, but they didn't expect the sudden influx of messages they could receive about their video. According to experts, the animal they had captured was almost likely an extreme rare crossbreed between a wolf and a coyote. It is one of the most rarely seen animals on the East Coast. Wildlife enthusiasts and experts alike were amazed by the graceful movements captured in the high-quality recording. This one-chance recording was the best footage ever seen of this animal. Few of these animals have ever been caught on camera. These animals are seldom seen in the wilds of North America, let alone the southeastern United States. This, coupled with the fact that the man's property covers several acres, make it the sighting almost as rare as being struck by lightning. Trail cameras have been used for decades by hunters hoping to identify good hunting spots. In recent years, it became more and more common for people to use trail cameras for hobby purposes. Many interesting things have been captured by these cameras, and his man is proof.